Ken took the birds off to Westfield, I think it was, North Carolina today, and I think today is April the 12th. And they should be back any time. It's been just over an hour. So I'm sitting up here by the pond, hoping they'll come in soon. Well, there I was sitting at the pond waiting for the birds to come home, and nothing was happening, and I came down here and checked, and here they are. So they must have snuck in here while I was in the house getting the camera, I think. And all three are here. My only three left from the race. Good birds. Our race has been moved forward to Saturday the 15th of April. So the birds are here packed up and ready to go. My husband's going to take them down to the clubhouse. Hebrew, no. Hebrew. And let's hope they make it home in good time. Hey guys, it's April 15th and it's Saturday. This is our second race. We usually race on Sundays, but the weather was a bit iffy for tomorrow, so they changed the race till today. So everything's ready. The birds, how long have they been on the wing, darling?
Oh, 7:35, almost 5.
So they've been on the wing about 5.5 hours, and the loft's all ready for them. And it's a 250-mile race. So they're coming home to all they can eat Christmas dinner. Everything is in there, plus vitamins in their water. That's the Rooster Booster vitamins that you can buy at Tractor Supply. And then they've got their grit here. We have a pigeon back already.
So that was,
I can't believe it.
that was one. Oh, shut the door. See, that's 13, 15, 37, so that means 5 hours and 45 minutes.
Wow, last time it took them 8 hours for 220 miles. This was 250 miles.
15 minutes.
Wow, we was in here and we didn't know.
Mm-hmm.
I bet it was in here when I was filming. He must have been up there. Oh, good bird. What a little sweetheart. Oh, you got some dirt on your rings. Where have you been? Where have you been? This one has been down in the dirt somewhere, unless it's out of the cages, the baskets. Anyway, I'll let her have a rest.
What's that number again? 20363.
Great.